So yeah, this tree is in my way and it's got this shadow casted right here. So what I'm finna do is try to cut it down. But I didn't want to use my chainsaw. I got a big chainsaw. I don't feel like gassing up. Gas prices cost a lot of money, even though it takes a little bit, but whatever. Anyway, so the homies over at decided to send me, they were like, yo, I got something for you, Tone. So they sent me over something and we're gonna go check it out. And we're gonna put it to real world experience. We're gonna see if this thing can shave this down and get this shadow off my solar panel. Plus whatever other projects I got going on. Let's go check it out.
There's a sky glowing, full of power living, yeah, we off the grid, oh 40 acres where the wild winds dance. Welcome to the life at a WR Rich WPRN, hear the coyotes cry, working house growing.
So I got myself, I love my chainsaw. Pause. Where are my manners? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy TP from WPR Ranch. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. Thanks for watching this video. Back to the show. I try to keep it clean, keep it greased up, and it's put in some work. If you go back and check out when I got this thing, you'll see the work that it put in. This thing has done me well. But I don't feel like, gassing it up and doing all this work just to go. And I will have to stand on the ladder too to get that tree. And this thing, it's light, but it's still heavy. So Saker sent me this here. All right, so let's open this thing up. I went ahead and removed the film. So, Saker mini electric chainsaw, 6-inch portable cordless electronic chainsaw, handheld chainsaw for pruning shears, chainsaw for tree branches, courtyard, household and garden. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see what's in this box. Hey, first, this is a really nice box. Yeah, Saker, this is a really nice box. So let's crack this thing open, see what we got going open. Look, you got the Saker on there. It's a nice box. All right, what we got in here? First thing I see is instruction manual. Oh, wind. Don't forget the wind, Tony. So this instruction manual actually has actual instructions in it, not like the last couple of items I got. So go through this later. On the top here, conveniently, we've got a screwdriver, a little hex wrench, and some oil or lubricant or something in this little bottle. Off top, I see 2 extra chains in case something happens. A couple of little gloves. I don't know if they like safety gloves, but some gloves anyway, free gloves. All right, now let's look at the, oh no, wait, hold on, more safety goggles. That's what's up. Oh snap, yo. 2 batteries, Saker. Y'all wildin', 2 batteries? Oh, and that battery's on full? Okay. What about this one? Yo, that one's full. Yo, they shipped the batteries full. That's cool. It's a battery charger. How's that charge? Oh, okay. That's simple. It just plugs into there, right in the middle, and then you plug that in. Okay, bet. Now, this thing right here. Wait, hold on. So there's 2 chains in here, 2 chains, and then there's one already on it. So it came with 3 chains. That's sick. I want to test it. Let's see. Let's put this in. Oh yeah, this thing probably get down. This thing gonna get down. Let's yeah, that's what's up. Oh, I'm about to go get it with this thing right here. We'll go test it out, but let me see, put this little glove on. It's a little small, snug fit. I mean, if the glove didn't fit, I would have to quit, you know, but it does, so it's okay. Good tight fit. What I'm not going to use right now, I'm not going to use these safety goggles because I got my own sunglasses. And I don't know if y'all notice, I always got my sunglasses on. That's because these are prescription, so that way I can see. I always keep my clear ones somewhere nearby, but these are prescription, so that's why I always have sunglasses on me. Y'all see me, I can't see, I'm blind. Yeah, let's go test this thing out. So I'm here at the tree in question, and it's the afternoon, so of course the sun is right there. And as you can see how this is placing the shadow on the camera, soon it's gonna be on this solar panel right here as it gets closer to the evening. And I wanna catch all my power. I need all my power. So you are going to attempt to cut some of this down. Now, do a little bit one-handed. Hold this camera up close so y'all can see. That's in my way. So I'm gonna move that right quick. Yeah, that's in my way. So I'm gonna move that right quick, set this camera up somewhere real quick, and then see if I can get some angles in for you guys, because this is gonna be fun. Let's try this thing out. I hate this tree. They're everywhere. On the ranch, there's like 80, 90, 100 of them everywhere. They're everywhere. They're spiky. I don't like when they flower because then the bugs get multiple bugs. All right. Okay, that's what it's done. There's live stuff. So let's get in there. Let's get in. Ow! Stop stabbing me. Let's get in here. Let's get in here. Let's see. That was somewhat big. Oh, that was a dead branch. That cut that pretty smooth. That was a dead branch. Okay, let's get up close. Let's check this out. I just knocked that out right quick. Let's see, you hanging down, let's get rid of you. Gone, and I did it with one hand. This thing is strong, but it's light enough to do it with one hand too. All right, Psyker, this is a win right here. You don't even understand. I've been waiting to tackle this one right here for a minute. It's hard to get in here because of these thorns, but this thing just knocked them thorns right out the way. Knocks all them thorns. You gone. Oh, I see you, I see you. Ooh, get in my shoes. You gone. Hey, let me knock that down right quick so I can keep going. Ow. If we getting somewhere, if I could get up in there, that'll be great. It's just so spiky. I hate getting stuck by stuff. I need some like arm steel protection. I want to cut this big branch, but I'm gonna have to put the phone down and do that, because that'll solve everything. Let's see if we can cut this one right here. I got stuck. It's okay. All right, got a little stuck. It's all right, it's all right. Those out of the way. It's stuck again. That's a big branch though. It's on the last limb. Hold on. That's how you do it right there. Sinker! Sinker! You done it, my boy. Or girl. That's pretty much almost dead wood. This thing is killing it. This thing is killing it. Yeah, you do need some safety goggles when you're using this thing for real. This stuff flying everywhere, shooting at me, off me. Look at this thing. I am impressed. I am very much impressed right now. Very well could have did this with my chainsaw, but it would have been loud, emitting all kinds of gas emissions in the air and stuff like that. So, Saker, this is an off-grid lifesaver, especially if you just got solar and you just, you know, need something with a battery that you could just chop stuff up with. This thing is killing it, killing it. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. It's worth the penny. It's worth the penny. Let's see if we can hit some branches up here. Yeah. Yeah. Getting this thing down. I see it's one hand. One hand in it too. A lot of dead wood over here. I can't even see what I'm hitting. Oh, I got some. Got a piece of wood stuck in there. Hold on, let's get this off safely. Oh, got stuck all up in there. Okay, so yeah. I got some branches stuck in there. There you go. All right, well, that's one more in there, I see you. All right, I think I got him. Got him. All right. Whew. Should I tackle this big branch? Should I tackle that big branch with this? Do y'all think it can do it? I think it's gonna take a little bit. Let's try it. Saker, we gonna try it. Let's put this phone somewhere a little safer though. Oh, everything like sticking me out here. All right, got the phone safer. If y'all don't see me for a second, it's because I'm on the other side. Oh, these branches are everywhere. I wonder if the goats will eat this stuff. Got a lot of thorns on it. Is it too alive for them to eat? Oh no, because I'll throw this over there to the goats. And they can have a ball. All right. Oh, it's on the thread. Y'all ready? With ease, bro. That did that with ease. Man, with ease. It took me like, what, 35 seconds to cut this thing? No more solar blockage. That was fun. This is already cut down. It's been about, I don't even know how long, maybe 10, 15 minutes. And I already did pretty much cut this whole tree down. I've cut dead wood. Usually dead wood is hard. I cut dead wood with this thing. And I'm still on the first battery. Haven't even had to switch batteries or nothing. With ease, like butter. It's like butter with this thing. All right, this thing just made my life so much easier. Cause now I finally get, some of these I wanna keep, and some of these big bushes, I'll show you in a second, I wanna keep, but if you trim them up right, they'll bush out into a tree. Instead of a bush, it'll be a shade tree. It's all about how you prune it. I ain't no expert or nothing, but I do research sometimes, you know. This whole thing. I don't like none of you. None about you. Cut off this dead stuff too. So at least if you grow back, you'll grow back a little bit more even. But you know you're gonna grow back. Cause y'all always do. Nature gonna find a way. Nature always gonna find a way. Still on the same battery. These gloves are not stopping the pokes. Just so you know. And what y'all think? Here, let's get it. Donezo. I should have good sun now for the rest of the afternoon. That might give me maybe a couple, maybe 100 or 300 watts extra. Like whatever I can take to make it through the night. You know, I haven't had to use gas since last week when it was cloudy outside and rainy. Obviously it was a bad day, but thanks to that My PV forecast app, I can check everything. Oh, go. I would say you should probably wear longer gloves and some sleeves too, because that one just backfired, hit me right here. So yeah, safety first, guys, safety first. But voila. Let's see how much battery we use. Hey, that thing's still on 3 dots, 3 whole dots. I beat it up pretty bad. Let's go clean it off. Whew. Back where we started at. Let's take a look. There are some pieces in the engine. Oh, let me take the battery off. A few pieces stuck in there. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no, I got it out. Okay, we good. Hey man. My honest opinion about this thing is that it's dope. It's sick. It did what it did the job. And it still looks good and healthy and ready to go. Again, this is the battery I had. Still got 3 whole lights. The new battery's right here. I haven't even touched it yet. Still wrapped up. So I'm gonna give this a whole 10 thumbs up, bro. 10-star review. Like, I'm not in shock, but like, you know what I mean? Like I reviewed a couple of products, and some things are cool, but this one right here, this is a off-grid ranch saver. If you got solar power, you could just charge these batteries, no gas included. Like, it came with 2 extra chains. This thing right here is cool. It's lightweight. I did it. You saw me do one hand. You saw the size of the branches I chopped down. Like, don't get no better. 6-inch saw. Like, this thing is legit, bro. This thing is legit, guys. Saker, good job on this product. I recommend it for anybody on off-grid use. It's rechargeable by battery. You don't have to use gas, so have no emissions coming out or any of that stuff, and you don't have to tug and fight with it. All you do is just plug and play. Like, it's simple as that. Once again, it's your boy TP from WPR Ranch. Thank you, Saker, for sponsoring this video. This is great work. Yo, y'all stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
WPR rims, there's a sky glowing, full of power.